Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.5, Problem 8. This is Section 1.5, Problem 8. It says round 1,754,865 to the nearest thousand. So first, identify the position that you want to round to. That would be the 4. The 5 is in the ones position, the 6 is in the tens position, the 8 is in the hundreds position, and the 4 is in the thousands position. So now that I've identified which position I'm rounding to, what you want to do is look at the next digit to the right of that and see if it's big enough to make that a 755. And it is. So if your digit that makes that determination is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, and it is, you take the rounding position, increase it by 1, and everything after it turns into a 0. So the 1 will stay, the 7 will stay, the first 5 stays. What was a 4 gets pushed up to a 5 because the digit to the right of it was big enough. So now that I've made it a 5, everything after it turns into a 0. And we can put in our commas every 3 digits apart. And the answer is 1,755,000.